What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the Clark Griswold YouTube channel. I am Mr. Clark Griswold. Thank you guys for being back again today. I appreciate you guys always and forever. If you are new to this channel, if you're new to trading, if you're struggling with trading, if you're new to the Strat or struggling with the Strat, or even if you're just trading and you're just kind of moving along, this channel, guys, the way we do things here is going to change the way that you trade in the stock market for the better. Okay, we're going to make you a consistent trader, a profitable trader, a happy trader, one who likes to jump into the market when they see an amazing setup. Okay, we're going to teach you all of that, but the first thing I need you to do is go down below, click that subscribe button and hit that bell. That bell is the most important part. It sends you notifications, lets you know when I send out these videos, just like this one, our top 5 watch list for Tuesday, August 9th. I send these videos out to you guys for free every single day. I send out daily setups, top 5 setups, weekly swings, monthly swings, 300 plus videos in this arsenal, in this repertoire, to teach you guys, like I said, how to be profitable, how to be consistent, how to get into and out of trades, how to manage your trade. Okay, we go through it all. We are going to make you a better trader with this channel. Okay, I'm also on Twitter at Mr. Clark Griswold. You can follow me there. You have questions, make sure you DM me, or you can give me a heart and comment down below in any one of my videos. Okay, I'm also on a Discord. I have the Griswold Trading Discord. The link is in the description below. I have a live trading room. I've got live trading bots that send out trades. You can find everything that I've got to offer you guys for free and that has a dollar value associated with it can be found in the Discord or on my Twitter page. Okay, we have a Griswold Gold membership. We have the live bots. We have the Griswold Strat indicator for TradingView. All kinds of stuff for you guys to help you be profitable and a successful trader. Okay, a couple things before we get into this top 5, guys. Number 1, the platform I use for charting, TradingView, right here. If you are interested in TradingView, you've never used it before, you're looking for something to chart with, go down below in the description, click the link, the TradingView link. It'll give you a free 30-day trial, free. You try any one of their subscriptions for free for 30 days. If you like it, you can get it. You get up to $30 off depending on which subscription you choose, but click on that link down below to get started, okay? The ads that roll through, guys, I know they suck. I know they're annoying. Nobody likes them. Nobody wants to watch them. No one likes them on their videos. But let me tell you something. These ads keep this stuff free for you guys, okay? So I ask you in advance and kindly in return for me putting out these videos that you guys let those ads roll through, and I thank you very much for letting them do that. Okay, go get a drink, go get a snack, come back. We'll rock through these ads. Keep the videos free. Keep them out of a paid Discord. Okay, keep them right here where they should be, free for you guys every single day. I will talk about the Griswold Strat indicator as we go along. It does have this time frame continuity indicator. It does give you the candlestick numbers. Paints the outside bars white, the inside bars yellow. Gives you these IB and OB tabs. Okay, all kinds of other great stuff. Sarah Strat Snipers 50% rule. We will talk about it as we go through these. Again, you can find that on the Discord or in the link in the description below. Let's get started on the top 5. Number 1 on this list. These are in no particular order except for Neo and Spy. They will be the ones that I always watch during the day and that I will be watching closely tomorrow. So let's get started with this on the... I wonder what the 2... I never looked at this. Hold on. Give me a second here. August 5th. Okay, here we go. I'm going to show you guys something. I have a trigger here for the downside on Neo, okay? It is a 2-up that finished red with a shooter candle or an inverse hammer. So we are going to look for puts on this thing. We've got time frame continuity on our side to the downside. We've got triggers, targets. We've also got a weekly trigger right here. If I go to the weekly chart, okay, this is to go 2 down on the week. 2 up, 2 down reversal on the week. We're going to look for that tomorrow. But as I click on this 2-day chart, not something that very many people look at, we have a 3-1 setup, okay? And I'm going to mark this out here because I want to see how it plays out. We'll mark that in yellow. A 2-day chart, that means this trade takes place over 2 days, not 1 day. It's more of like a mini swing. Okay, 3-1 setup, outside bar, inside bar. You look at past outside bar, inside bar setups, 3-1-2 setups. The two, we don't know which direction it's going to go. They're rare. They don't happen very often, and they are very, very powerful. And probabilities tell us that these trades work out. And we have to just go back to this last one, this outside bar, inside bar. We trigger here and hit target 1. And just miss that, no, not just miss. We missed the target 2. But this was a really, really excellent trade. And even if we go back to try and find one more, there's one right here. This one went 3-1-3. But we opened up and we triggered and we hit targets, okay? So very profitable setups, very powerful setups. So I am also going to be watching this 2-day chart tomorrow. We'll see how this thing plays out, because this is our trigger to the upside, and this is our trigger to the downside on the 2-day chart is also the trigger for the weekly. So NEO's a very interesting play. I will be watching NEO very, very closely tomorrow. You guys should be too. SPY. Okay, part of the reason, guys, why I like NEO is because I've been in it for a long time, since it was like $3. It's a long-term hold. The other reason I like NEO is because it's super liquid. The spread between the bid and the ask are super tight. They're within pennies. So when the bid is $1, the ask is like, you know, $1.01, $1.02, and I'm jumping in that thing because I buy market orders, I sell market orders. Okay, that's the way I like to play. I don't want to wait for limit orders. I don't want to get into a trade if I'm buying at market order and it's already 10% out. Won't happen with me. Those are my rules. That's the way I play. That's why I like NEO. That's why I like SPY. That's why I like the plays that I do. Apple, AMD, okay, QQQ, all of those. Okay, let's move on to SPY. So SPY had a 2-up to finish red. We can look for puts on SPY again with puts at $411. 83 cents is our trigger. Our first target is 409.60. This pink line is our trigger to go 2 down on the week. If we go to the 2-day chart, just for funsies, it's an outside bar. If we go to the weekly chart, there's that 2-up, currently red. This will end up going outside bar. Sorry, not 2 down. It will be going outside bar. So we can look for Sarah Strat Sniper's 50% rule. Well, hold on. Let me show you this. Gold Griswold Strat Indicator. Settings. Let's click on the weekly. It's going to show up in purple. There it is. There is our 50% weekly trigger on SPY. So watch closely for this, guys, on SPY. If we bust through this, we can play this short all this week for a chance at a really, really good gain on SPY. Okay, we'll go back to the daily. There's our puts, 411.83, first targets, and this gets us to an outside week. Okay, right here. Trigger number 2 gets us to an outside week. We'll see what happens. Is that right? That's amazing. Down to 406. That gets us to an outside week. Okay, there you have it. Proof is in the pudding. Number 3 is C, Citigroup. Citigroup with the inside bar. Guys, again, I'm going to talk about inside bars here real quick. This is actually a 3-1 setup. Let's go see the last time Citigroup had a 3-1 setup. How do I find it? I look for the yellow highlights. Okay, those yellow highlights are part of the Griswold Strat Indicator. $25 one-time fee on that thing, and you get it for life. If there's updates, if there's anything added, they're all free. You don't pay for it again. Okay? Outside bar, inside bar, gap down. I'm going to try to find one more here. If we can, we're back into 21, and we're into December. Outside bar, inside bar, boom. Trigger, targets. Okay? Very, very powerful, very rare, and very, very good setups that we should be looking at always when they appear. Okay? Full time frame continuity to the downside, outside of that quarterly. And guys, inside bars, okay, all the time, inside bars don't break the high, they don't break the low. So when we see these things, I want you guys to think of something like a spring or a jack-in-the-box. It's tightening, you know, the da-da-da-da-da-da-da, and it's turning, 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 and when it breaks one side or the other, that thing's exploding. Okay, that's what we're looking for. If we can explode to the upside, it will be with time frame continuity on the hourly, the daily, and the weekly. And we will break through this weekly trigger, which is also stuck inside. Or we can go to the downside and we can be all red, and this is still our weekly trigger. We can look to take Citigroup long on either one of these if it breaks through that weekly trigger. DraftKings. DraftKings has an inside bar. Little bit of a conflict here because we have a shooter candle, which is a bearish pattern, but we do have time frame continuity to the upside. We can take this thing either way. Okay, I'm comfortable taking this either way. We can trigger to the upside with calls at 1926 or puts at 1794. There's your two targets right there on DraftKings. That's play number 4. Play number 5, WFC. Wells Fargo has this big inside bar preceding an outside bar, 3-1 setup. Look at this last 3-1 we had. I'm just going to go to here. Okay, we triggered, hit targets. Okay, where was the next target? We have to go all the way back. I'm not going that back that far. But again, 3-1 setups, great play. Okay, 3-1 setup. Let's see if we can do the exact same thing here. We can look for calls at 44.19. Let's go to the month for a second. There's that blue line there. I want to see if it's old or new. Let's go to the month. That month is an old line, so we're going to get that out of there because it was actually on the inside bar. We've already gone 2 up on the month from this previous inside bar in July. Okay, so back to the daily. 3-1 setup, calls 44.19, puts 43.13. I will mark out the targets with you. There is target 1 to the top. Let's make that green. And target 2 to the bottom. Look at that magnitude. Let's hit that one. Looks good. What is that? 43 to 42, 50, 60 cent move. Looks great. Okay. What do we got next? Last one, guys. Square. SQ. SQ has a 3-1 setup again. Outside bar, inside bar. We do have this inverse hammer, shooter candle, whatever you want to call it. Calls 91.80. Let's mark the targets to the upside. Puts 84.87. Let's mark targets to the downside. 82.88 first target. Let's go back in time. Last 3-1 setup on square. Where are we going? Right here. Outside bar, inside bar. Boom. Trigger, target, target, target. Okay? Big win on square the last time we had that 3-1. Here's the next one. Back in, looks like February. Outside bar, inside bar. Triggered. Boom. Targets. Done. Guys, this is no doubt by far and away the easiest way you guys will ever find to trade in the stock market. Okay, I hope you're still with me. I hope you're still watching the video. Look at this. These candles tell you what to do. It's price action. They tell you when to get into the trade. They tell you when to get out of the trade. I'm just going to do this. Look. Call that the trigger off of the inside bar. This candle is saying, hey, pick me, get in. Buy here, buy here. This candle is saying, when I get to here, sell me, sell me. This isn't a coincidence. Look at this. Triggers, targets, back up. Okay? That's why we take our profit, guys. And when we take these trades, feel free to hop down to the 15. Feel free to hop down to the 5. I like hopping down to the 5 when these things trigger. And that's how I play them. And I'll watch it on the 5. If it reverses on me, I'm out. And I'm okay with that. If I take 20, 30, 40%, I'm okay with it. If I take 10%, I'm okay with it. If I have a loss that's minus 5%, I'm not okay with it. But it was only 5%, and I'm left with a ton of capital left to get in on my next trade. Okay? Guys, that's the video. That's the top 5. Good luck trading on Tuesday. I hope you guys are green as I always do. That's all I wish for you guys is to have winning trades day in and day out. Make sure you're following me on Twitter. Subscribe down below. Click that bell. Get onto that Discord. Join the rooms. Get on those live trading bots. The Griswold Gold membership gives you those trading bots. Gives you the indicators. Gives you one-on-ones every month. Gives you weekly group meetings with the rest of the Griswold members, okay? So make sure you're doing all that stuff. Look into all of it. Get signed up. Let's go. Improve your trading. Let's get green. And we will see you guys all on the next one. Have a great night or a great day or a great morning. Bye-bye.